Hey, it's Tom Gallagher. Another story behind the car. I'm at a car show in Imperial, Missouri. Check out this El Camino with an LS swap. Very nice. Excellent looking car, too. So, anyway, I'm at this car show and there was a Cars and Coffee scheduled for this morning. However, it was canceled. Not sure why. Have my suspicions, but don't know why yet. But this one popped up. The guys that put this on decided to hold this just to keep everybody moving along, give people a place to go. It's the Memorial Day holiday weekend. It's Saturday morning. Great looking GTO. So I just shot this, and I wanted to just mention I've got, if you go to my community tab, I'm putting some questions down there, trying to get a better idea on what people are looking for so I can better shoot stuff that people are looking for. I shoot stuff, a lot of the stuff I shoot because I like the car. I love GTOs, El Caminos. Here's a Chevelle. And some of this stuff I shy away from just because I don't particularly like it. So I shoot a lot of the stuff I like, but it doesn't necessarily translate to stuff that other people like. So in the community tab, I'm going to be posting questions. Check it out, 396 Motor here on the Super Sport. Check out the community tab. If you don't mind, take a few minutes. And you can also leave comments so I can better understand, and I will start shooting stuff that better suits the taste of the people that are watching my videos. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of this video. 62 C10. I'm rebuilding a 61. So this is a nice truck, really a nice truck, but some of the stuff that's on the truck don't really push a lot of my buttons, but at a distance, great looking truck. And then when you dig into it, I see stuff that I don't particularly like, but that's me. So enjoy the rest of the video and leave a comment question below. And I've got some really nice cars that I shot at this car show that will be coming up next week as full motion videos. Thanks again, and catch you on the next one.